Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to make some juice today with ingredients from the garden, and I want to take you guys along. So come on with me. Let's go grab some ingredients and make some juice.
And then it's gonna be good.
Then it's gonna be good. Good, let's go. So during winter, I planted some vegetables that were suitable for winter. Swiss chard was one of them, and I'm still enjoying them even now that we are still in spring. We are in spring now. I'm still enjoying the vegetables that I planted. So this is Swiss chard, and it's very easy to grow. So I'm going to grab some of this Swiss chard. I'm also going to use this kale that I also planted during winter. There are many types of kale. This particular one is called dinosaur kale. In case you're looking for some, we have coily kale, but this one is called dinosaur kale, and it's very good during winter. It's one of the cold resistant vegetables that you can grow during winter. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a few of them. I'm definitely going to add some cucumbers to it for some more green goodness. You know what I mean? Like, the more green, the better, okay? So to make this green goodness even more nutritious, I'm going to add some carrots, some lemon, some celery, and some apples. So I'm a mom of a 5-year-old and a 4-year-old, and I used to do smoothies for my kids, but they didn't really like it that much. But when I tried juicing, they really loved it, and I know what? I just kept on juicing for them every day. So I do this every day. So this is the only way that I get them to get some greens into their bodies. And I do some steamed broccolis too, which they thankfully they love that one. But in terms of getting more nutrients into their bodies, like more greens, juicing has been the way out. So I do not miss a day of juicing for them, because this helps to get all those multivitamins into their bodies, and also to build their immunity. I know as moms it can be very hard for us to get the kids to eat some vegetables. So let me know in the comment section, if you're a mom, how do you get your kids to eat vegetables? Do you do juicing? Do they like popsicle? Like blended vegetables and fruits, and then you make it into a popsicle for them? Or do you do smoothies? How do you get them to eat their vegetables? Because it was a struggle for me until I found that this juicing actually works for them. So this is what I do. And also I want to tell you that I do mix up, like switch up the vegetables. Sometimes I do apples, spinach, just switch it up like that. But I make sure that they drink the juice every day. I also added a little bit of ginger, which I heat under the vegetables, because if they see the ginger, if my kids see the ginger, they're not going to drink this juice. So I had to hide it under the vegetables so they won't see it. So to make my juice, I'm going to use this Nama J2 juicer. Now this video is not sponsored by Nama, okay? This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing with you the type of juicer that I'm using. In case you want it, you can get it, but they do not have it on Amazon. But they have something similar on Amazon, like you can buy something like this, but not the same brand, but exactly like this. So to get this Nama juicer, you can get it on their website. They do not have it on Amazon, but they have something very similar like this on Amazon that you can buy, but a different brand, but exactly like this. I'm going to put the link in the description box below so that you can check it out. You can buy that one on Amazon or buy Nama J2 juicer on their website. So whichever works for you, that's fine. But one thing I love about this juicer is the fact that I can load a lot of fruits and vegetables at once, and just turn it on and walk away and let it juice by itself. So guys, now this was the main attraction, the fact that I can load my fruits and vegetables into the juicer all at once, turn it on and just walk away and let it juice itself. This was it. I was sold on this one because the former juicer that I had, I used to juice one fruit at a time. Sometimes it got stuck. But with this one, it's different. And it's also very easy to clean and very, very easy to assemble. It doesn't take time. So I really, really enjoy this juicer. And like I said, you can either get it on their website or you can get a similar juicer on Amazon, which I'm going to leave the link to it in the description box below and also in the comment section. You can check it out. I'm going to pin that comment so you click on it. As for the pulp, I'm going to throw this into my garden as manure. Some people do bake it. Let me know what you do with your juice pulp, okay? You can share some recipes with me. Listen, this juice is so good, so green. I call this green goodness. It has a lot of nutrients in it. As you can see, I drank some and I gave my kids some, and this is what I do every day. It's good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share this video. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below